Hey guys, what's up? I got a piece of plastic here off a dirt bike. It's an 84 CR500 that it's pretty weathered and pretty rough shape. So I saw some videos about using boiled linseed oil, and it has to be boiled, as well as paint thinner in a 50-50 mix to renew your plastic. It also said to use some Scotch-Brite pad. So I'm just gonna give it a try here and see if it works. Just gotta open this up. Okay, so we'll go half linseed. And I'm just kind of taking a guess here. It's not gonna be an exact measure, but just kind of eyeball it. I don't think it's that critical, but yeah, the plastic's pretty weathered. It's old. It's really old. So we'll see what we can do with this. So yeah, it's pretty close to the 50-50 mix. Let's put the caps back on here. I'm gonna grab the abrasive pad, just kind of mix it up a little bit, and we'll see how she does. Here's the plastic, so I'll just kind of start rubbing it around, see how it goes. I'm just gonna set the phone up here so you guys can see it. Get it in a bit better spot here. So there's about half and half. I've done it before. It does work, and it works pretty good. After you just kind of clean it up, but here's a treated and here's untreated. You can see the abrasive pad is important too. You want to make sure you kind of bring that haze off the plastic, but hope this helps. It's just a quick video to help renew your plastics. Thanks.